Hello, I'm Sky, the man who films UFOs. The video you are going to watch today is Raining UFOs. The History channel aired on June 7th, 2019. The title is Unidentified Inside America's UFO Investigation. The subtitle is Raining UFOs. You can check the History channel. Then, let's take a look. Hello everyone, welcome to LooK's Sky channel. Here is Seoul in Korea. I show really weird UFOs. They were falling from the sky very fast in succession. Sounds weird, but when I saw it for the first time, I felt like raining from the sky. It was amazingly fast. I could just see it through my computer screen. I was told this phenomenon called raining UFOs from a US Navy witness on History channel. Ready to go? Then let's go. They are really fast, so I make the speed slow down. Wow, it passed. Did you see it? Let's check it again. Here we go. It looks like spinning very fast. It looks like disc-shaped UFO as UFO filmed in 7th of June. If you didn't see the video clips filmed in 7th of June, you can check it again in my channel. And here is I make adjustment color, and you can check the different color UFOs. It looks weird. It's really fast, really fast. Here is raining UFO second. It passed. Let's check it again. Here we go. It looks like, transparent UFO. You can see the cloud through the UFO. It's like, something like clocking technology. They have clocking technology. Here is raining UFOs 3. They are looks like the same, but I wanna show it all of them. I make color changed, and you can check the shape of the UFO. It's interesting. Believe it or not, I filmed these raining UFOs many times. Even though it was cloudy, they was falling from the sky with the light. I'm gonna show it to you guys later, one by one. Look at this picture. I filmed it in 3rd of August, 2 months ago. They're really fast, and I was shocked at the time. And now I want to show it. I want to share that UFO with you guys in next video clips. What do you think of it? Who are they? Where are they from? What are they doing here? You can see them with your own eyes in my channel. Please share my video clips with your friends and invite them in their new world. They are falling down from the sky even now and in front of your house. Please subscribe and like, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.